Hi. All right, friends, today we are going to learn how to do styrofoam printmaking. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have our printing plate. So we have our printing plate. We should be able to feel our print. Make sure there's no letters or numbers on it, and that our name is on the back. The next thing we need to do is get a piece of paper and write our name on the back. And have that ready because this is going to be our printing paper. So the first thing we need to do is have Miss Castillo add ink, which is kind of like paint, but a little bit different, to this plexiglass right here. And I'm going to put it out a nice thin line like this. So I'm the only one that's touching this thing, which is our printing ink. Next, you're going to have your brayer. That's this rolly thing. And you are going to go forward and back to make this sticky sound. It's a very satisfying sound. We're going to put ink all over this. But it dries really, really quick, so we have to be really careful. All right, so when it looks kind of like this, I need some over here. So let me add a little more. There we go. So when it looks about like this, that means we're ready to print. I'm going to leave that up like there. Put my styrofoam ready to go. Make sure I have it close by. And I'm going to get my special printmaking placemat. And I'm going to get that ready to go as well. So here's what we're going to do. I have my printing plate. Find a page in one of these books that doesn't have ink on it. This is a brand new book. So I'm going to do this page. And I'm going to make sure it's nice and ready. I put my printing plate on one of those pages. And now we're going to watch the magic happen. So with my brayer, I'm going to ink my plate. And we're going to hold it with just a little bit of our finger and go forward and back. And if we press down, we don't really need to hold it. Then we're going to go this way. If you hear that sound, that means it's nice and inked. I'm going to put my brayer to the side. Very, very carefully. I'm going to close my book, get my placemat back out, and line this up kind of in the middle with these lines. Here comes the magic. We're going to make sure that you see your name. If you don't see your name, that's the wrong way. So make sure you see your name and you're going to line it up very gently. If you have ink on your fingers, wipe it on the big placemat before you start pressing. Now it's time to press. We're going to make a fist. We're going to hold it down with one hand. With the circle motion and back and forth, we're going to press all over this paper to make sure our ink goes right on our paper so we make a print. You want to count to 20 seconds, that's probably good. Make sure you go all over the top, the bottom, the middle, nice and even. Now, here comes the magic trick. We're going to flip it over, move our other placemat to the side. With our pincher hand, we're going to grab one corner. Here we go. And there is our print. So you can see it is the opposite of this one. So they are the same, but opposite. That's how we make a print. When you're done, you're gonna take your print right to the drying rack, right in the corner. And if you need to, you're gonna wipe your hands on a placemat. We're not gonna clean our hands today because they shouldn't be that messy. A little messy, but it's okay. The ink dries really, really fast. So when you're done with your print, remember, take it to the drying rack. And that is how we do styrofoam printing. I cannot wait to see what you make for your prints. Thanks for watching. Bye.